hindi pa ngayon. Dalawa lang ang namatay. But if it comes to a fall requiring the quarantine of persons, either local or foreigners, I have directed Secretary Doki here to prepare a space, a ward in our hospitals, or a separate building room where we can house them. And wala pa namang, hindi pa kailangan yan, pero I said we will prepare. Now, there is a certain area which was donated by a Chinese philanthropist na hindi nagamit. I don't know why, because that was really intended for the rehabilitation of addicts, yung addicted to shabu. Ang problema kasi nito, well, tapos na eh. It's too late to be. Alam mo, sabi nila malayo. So they opted to have this community-based rehabilitation. You know, any expert about rehabilitation of addiction to anything, drugs, alcohol, you are removed away from your place of residence. Kaya nga that is a part of the regimen, so that to train you really and to make you, you know, feel the loss of family, friends, house, community, if you are not sincere in being rehabilitated. You have to work out these sentiments by yourself na gusto mong umuwi sa anak mo. Kung itong dito sa malayo, dito sa malapit, kung community-based, tapos sa gabi wala rin magwardya, nothing doing. That was my misgivings actually when that was started. Pero because of the hysteria, ang nabasa ko noon, well, I said I was a prosecutor. I was a trial prosecutor. And early on, I was already reading materials about rehab and addiction, how it affects your physical being. Yun ang nangyari. But that building, I think the first building is vacant, not used. Problem is, I think, si Governor ayaw niya. Nandyan sa Fort Magsaysay, that building is inside a national government reservation. Maluwang yan. So marami akong ilagay dyan kung ang contagion actually, it's epidemic if it is just regional or local or national. It is pandemic if it is worldwide. So, yun ang nako. Or I can, well, I will expropriate. Kunin ko yung building mo, whether you like it or not, in times of emergency, I can always, it is confiscatory in nature. You confiscate. Then you make it a hospital. Bring in the equipment and you stay there inside the building where the egress and ingress is controlled. And lahat yung, remember my SARS, every regional office in the country was ordered to provide space, and there was a vehicle provided by the government which was, washed over with disinfectant para to minimize contact.